Yeah, let's see another algorithm based on linked list. So this is called slow and fast pointer, and this algorithm is also uh, based on the previous video. That is where I reverse the linked list, so we need that knowledge also here. So you have not seen that video, then go and see that video and come here, because we need to reverse the linked list in order to utilize this technique, slow and fast pointer, because I have chosen the example for that. So let's see the example and try to understand what is slow and fast pointer. And before that, yeah, just I want to say there are a few more techniques remaining here. So once we are done with all this technique, then we'll pick random problem uh, from leetcode, and then we'll try to use some of the technique and then try to solve that. So let's see the example to utilize this slow and fast pointer in the linked list. So this is another easy problem for today. It's a palindrome linked list. So we are given a linked list, and we have to return true or false, or just we have to return true if it is palindrome or false if it is not. So this is the palindrome, because if you see here like 1 2 2 1, if you read this from reverse, it's again the same, like from 1 here, so 1 here, the next item is 2, from the reverse next item is 2. So that's why it's a palindrome. So to find whether it's a palindrome or not, we utilize two pointer technique, and in this technique we'll fix the slow pointer and the fast pointer in this place, and the slow pointer will move by 1 and the fast pointer will move by 2, and we'll keep moving this slow and fast pointer until we reach a fast pointer null. So in the beginning we set this 2 pointer, fast and slow pointer, to 1, and we'll check that okay, fast pointer next is not nil. So this will be the fast pointer. If this is the fast pointer, then fast pointer next is this. So we know the fast pointer next is not nil. Then we'll move slow pointer to here by 1. So the slow pointer by 1, it will come here, and the fast pointer will reach here, because fast pointer we're moving by 2 items and slow pointer by 1 item. So slow pointer will be here and the fast pointer will be here. Again we'll check fast pointer next is null. No, fast pointer next is not null. Then in that case we'll move the slow pointer to this place and fast pointer by 2 items. So fast pointer will come to this place where there's a null. So when the fast pointer next is null, then we stop. And we notice in this traversal, the slow pointer comes to this place, these two areas. So the slow pointer comes here. So this is the time what we do, we'll reverse this linked list from the slow pointer to end. So we'll reverse this. Once we reverse, this becomes 1 2, and we know that our head is already 1 2. Now in this case we'll check 1 by 1 item, like 1 item from this, 1 item from the slow pointer, which is already reversed, that's a 1. So 1 1 match, and 2 and the 2 to match, and then we can say okay, it's a palindrome, and in other case it will be false. So that's the idea, and let's see the code and we'll get the better idea when we write the code. Okay, so we'll create 2 pointer. So slow is head and the fast is also head, and one loop for fast not equal to nil and fast next not equal to nil. And in this case we'll move slow pointer by 1. So slow pointer is slow dot next. Okay, so next is upper, so we'll make it next upper here also, and here too. And fast pointer will move by 2. So fast dot next And we know at the end of this iteration, slow pointer will be in the middle. So now we'll reverse this. So I'll create head 2 and reverse. Okay, let me change this to upper. Reverse. We know the slow is in the middle, that is in this place. So we want to reverse this list. So reverse slow, and it will return head 2. So let's write the reverse. This function we have already seen this in a previous video, so I'm not going to explain, but just write the code here. It's a list node, and it's going to return list node. We'll create the previous. So type is list node. So here list node. And for the reverse, head not equal to nil. Then we'll create that item temp. So temp will have the next item, head next, and then head next will be previous, and the previous will be head, and head will be temp. Then we can return previous. So that's for the reverse. So we reverse this slow pointer. So this portion, like we reverse using this slow pointer. Now let's compare whether items are same or not. So I'm just saying okay, return true. I'm saying okay, just assume it's a palindrome, and if it is not palindrome, then we can return false in this logic. So for I can check head 1, that's a head not equal to nil, and head 2 not equal to nil, and iterate this head from here, and this reverse item is in head 2, that also will iterate and compare the item. So if head dot, the value is up, okay, val is upper, so head val not equal to head 2 dot val. If this is the scenario, return false, and keep increasing this pointer like in the next item. So head equal to head next, and head 2 equal to head 2 dot next is upper. Okay, so let's check for the syntax and try to submit. So return. Okay, accepted. Let's try to submit. Okay, so it's accepted. One, 3 milliseconds bits. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's see the solutions in a Java. So the same concept in a Java also. We created the slow pointer and fast pointer, and we're checking fast next not equal to null. We're moving the slow pointer by 1 and fast pointer by 2. We reverse the slow, got the head 2, checking head not equal to null, head 2 not equal to null, and returning true, assuming it's a palindrome, and will return false if it is not palindrome. So this case will decide whether it's a palindrome or not. Head val not equal to head 2 val, return false, and then we'll move forward head and head 2. And this is the same logic for the reverse. Yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you.